Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this absolute beauty. It is a Triumph Street Triple RS. Wowee, this thing is really nice. It's one of the new shapes, so it's the 765. It's a 2017 on a 17 plate. Biggest thing, it's only done 497 miles, and they come with some right kit, these. Anyway, STX Ohlins rear shock on there, Brembo M50 brakes, also Brembo master cylinder. So not only the stopping force, but also master cylinder to back it up. Also, they come with a quick shifter. These they've got 5 stages of traction control, power modes, full TFT display. This one's also got a seat cowl, tail tidy, LED indicators, LED front light. It's finished off in a flat satin silver with all the red pinstriping through there, and also the red striping through the wheels. The noise, all finished off with that Arrow exhaust on there. What a stunner of an exhaust, and we'll get to the noise in a second. However, the other best thing about these is the new uprated software that they run on them. So you've got your full TFT display there. You can change through all the little settings. So you click in, go to a different style. Oh, I fancy that one. Oh, go to number 1 and I fancy that one. Loads of differences there, meets everyone's needs. Like I say, you can go in there, power modes and traction and things like that. Anyhow, let's give it a quick start up so you can hear it. What a fruity engine that is, really nice, just over 120 horsepower. That's all you need for the UK roads. What an absolute stunner of a bike. Anyway, enough for me. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, simply give us a call. Cheers.